Hello everyone, I'm your teacher Balqis Khamaise. Today we're going to start with the new unit number 7, which is under titled World Famous. Open your student book pages number 58 and 59 and try to look at the pictures on these two pages. Do you know them all or some of them? Ask yourself, take a minute to figure out who are these people. Do I know them or not? Whether you know them all or not, you're going to read an article about a great scientist. Her name is Marie Curie. Her picture is on page number 59. In addition to this video for this reading comprehension text, I will post a link as an introduction to this text to make it easy for you to understand it easily. Now you're going to listen to the text. Try to listen carefully. Repeat the audio more than one time. Then we're going to study and discuss the main ideas, and obviously you will have a homework.
Exercise 2. Read and listen to the text. A great scientist. Marie Curie was born in Warsaw, Poland, in 1867. Her father taught physics, and her mother was the head teacher of a girls' school. Marie was a very intelligent student at secondary school, but she couldn't go to university because she was a woman. So she worked as a governess for the children of a wealthy family and studied secretly at a university in Warsaw. Marie was extremely hard-working, and she sometimes stayed awake all night to study. Later, she moved to France and studied science at the Sorbonne, a famous university in Paris. In 1906, she became the first woman to teach at the Sorbonne when she got the job of Professor of Physics. At the university laboratory at the Sorbonne, she met another scientist, Pierre Curie. They got married in 1895 and had 2 children. Pierre thought that Marie was a genius, and he was happy to help her. Together, they did a lot of important work on radioactivity and discovered radium and polonium. In 1903, they won the Nobel Prize for Physics, and they used the prize money they collected to help needy students. Sadly, 3 years later, Pierre died in a road accident, but Marie didn't stop working. In fact, she won the Nobel Prize for Chemistry in 1911. She is the only woman to win 2 Nobel Prizes. Marie Curie stayed in France for the rest of her life. She tried to use her discoveries to help people who were ill in hospital. At that time, people didn't know that it was dangerous to work with radium. Marie became ill because of the radioactivity and died of cancer in 1934. In 1995, the French government moved the remains of Marie and her husband Pierre to the Pantheon, the building in Paris where people can visit the tombs of the most famous people in French history.
After listening again and again to the text, what are the main ideas? First one, Marie Curie, early life and her childhood, which was not easy because she was a girl. Marie Curie's successful achievements with her husband and winning a Nobel Prize. And last paragraph, Marie Curie's last days of